is a short video on how to knit using the Continental Method. With the Continental Method, you hold your yarn in your left hand, like so. Okay? Keep your yarn in the back. You go from the front to the back and grab the yarn and pull it through. Front to the back. Wrap the yarn with your finger and pull it through. Wrap the yarn with your finger and pull it through. Wrap the yarn with your finger and pull it through. You control the tension with your left hand and your forefinger as you knit. And that's how you knit. Do the knit stitch Continental style.